Welcome to our review of Speechify, a leading text-to-speech application that's transforming the way we interact with written content using cutting-edge AI voice cloning technology. Speechify uses advanced AI to convert your written documents into natural-sounding audio. It's designed for anyone who needs to turn text into speech, enhancing comprehension and memory retention with a human-like reading experience. With Speechify, users can listen to web pages, PDFs, emails, and documents in over 100 high-quality AI voices across various languages. Excitingly, you can even enjoy celebrity voices like Snoop Dogg and Gwyneth Paltrow. Speechify offers flexible pricing options. The limited plan is great for casual use, while the premium plan provides over 30 high-quality voices, faster listening speeds, and features like scanning printed texts. Pros include its ease of use, accessibility features, and productivity enhancements. However, the premium version has a monthly word cap, and there may be occasional OCR inaccuracies. Despite this, Speechify remains a robust tool for users from all walks of life. In conclusion, whether you're an editor, a student, or just someone looking to enhance their productivity, Speechify offers a versatile and user-friendly solution to meet your text-to-speech needs. Visit Speechify from the link in description to learn more and start your journey towards efficient content consumption today.